Hi YouTube, how you doing? We're back again with another video. Not so much a repair, but more of a how-to. This is something the customer brought in. And the directions on this sticker can kind of be confusing for people that have never played with NVRs or DVRs for cameras. So let's take a look at this. So it's telling us all these hard drives need to be formatted on your system before it shows on your system or allow to save data, record video. Disk management, disk utility on Mac, format menu, format storage menu, and it tells search youtube.com for tutorial how to format hard drive. Please email us for tech support if need any help, but there's no email. And as you can probably guess, max digital data. So I have a little bit of stuff out here. We're going to see what state this hard drive's in. It came with this super cheap digital video recorder. So it says digital video recorder. That's what the front looks like. Okay. And then we have the back here. So we have a mouse that comes with it, 12-volt power. The antennas, we have the WAN to go in, VGA and HDMI, and then also an audio output. Basic, simple Chinese, very cheap quality NVR. But let's take a look at this thing. So we have it powered on. We do need to power down to install the hard drive, but we're going to plug the hard drive into Windows to kind of see what we have going on. So let me go ahead and go over to my screen here. I'm going to rescan again. It took a minute to spin up. What's the red? Oh! Online? Alright, so it's unallocated. I don't know. It says on the label that you can take and format it in the box, but just because we're going to not assign a drive letter, and we're going to throw FAT format on it for right now. And it may or may not work. Once we put it in the box, we might have to pull it out and delete the partition. I don't believe though. I think even the cheapest, some NVRs are so cheap they just cannot. Okay, looks good. Let's go ahead and power it down so we can unplug. I'm going to let it spin down, flip back over to this camera. I can show you this as well real quick. Here's the NVR pulled up. Alright, everything there. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the power and get this out of our way. We can set our hard drive here. And let's see if we can see anything. So, okay. Let's finish this up. So as we can see, time setup, hard drive, we got nothing. General setup, it looks like we can format. So let's go ahead, hit cancel, exit system. Shut down, yes. Okay, and it told me I could unplug, so we'll do just that. Pour a few cables out, and let's remove some screws. So if you've ever messed with one of these cheaper DVRs, NVRs, they all follow a very similar format. Basically 2-3 screws on the back, 1 on each side, and you're in. And there's really not much to them. What? I'm not saying you can't get a good product. I'm just saying if you throw some money at the situation, you can get a much better product. Alright, that's in. Full send, and just put the top back on. We're going to full send and screw it together. Like I see that you can put a 2.5-inch drive in. We definitely have the room for one of those there, as you can see. That will mount just fine there. But if you're spending money on a large capacity SSD, why would you not just get a better quality NVR or DVR? Okay, let's go back. We'll power, USB, and we'll plug in our HDMI signal. We're going to leave that password blank and go to hard drive setup. Okay, it does see a disk, but we formatted it for FAT32. So what we're going to do, put a check and click format. Yes, we want to continue. We'll let the system format the drive so it's in the proper format. Sometimes they'll create a partition or two at the beginning of the disk and then leave the bulk of the disk for the recording of videos. It all depends on where you're getting it, where you sourced it from, and quality of how they're set up. Please wait. This is going to take a minute, so we can start wrapping up here. Fairly certain that this is going to be alright. It should see the disk after this. I mean, it does see it, but it should be usable, ready to go to record stuff to it when the wireless cameras are connected. But this is what the customer had brought this in for, was to get the hard drive formatted and put in. Let's click OK, and we can see our disk there. We can see the total size, size used, percentage. 100% free. Nice. So let's hit OK. That's it. Not really much more to say than that. Let's go to shutdown. Yes. Power it off. I don't like that it's a hard off, like the hard drive spins until you power it down. But that speaks to the quality of the product. No power button, no nothing. Like there's nothing. Just a digital video recorder, as you might be able to see. Anyhow, thank you for clicking the link, coming over, hanging out. As always, I do appreciate it. New subscribers, old subscribers, thank you for subscribing. The 100 subscriber giveaway is currently going on, so make sure you go check out the PS4 100 subscriber giveaway video. Be subscribed. I will be checking to see if the name drawn is a subscriber. Share it and leave a comment so I know that you want entered in. Also, give it a like if you like it, dislike it if you dislike that type of content as well as this. Like, dislike, it's up to you. And we'll be back with another video. See you then, people. Thank you.